Hi, today I'm gonna present the conics project of Algebra 2. So here, first we will start with hard circle problem. So the topic is a circle with endpoints of a diameter at -4, 0, and -4 and 6. So the center in the middle of diameter, we have a formula that is x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So we have, when we replace the x and y to the formula, we have -4 plus -4 over 2 and 0 plus 6 over 2. We have -8 over 2 and 6 over 3. So from that we can have the center, that is -4 and 3. From the center we have the equation x plus 4 square plus y minus 3 square equal radius square. Turn to another page. So based on the page number 2, we have page number 3. So now we place x and y to have a complete equation of the circle. X plus 4 square plus y minus 3 square equal r square. We have -4 plus 4 square plus 6 minus 3 square equal radius square, r square. And as a result, we have 0 square plus 3 square equal r square. So 9 equal r square. We also define the radius. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 is the radius and 9 is the diameter. Finally, we have the equation of the circle, which is x plus 4 square plus y minus 3 square equal 9. And here is the graph of this equation. We will go next problem, which is easy ellipse problems. So the topic is find the equation of an ellipse that is centered on the origin with a major axis that is vertical and has a length of 10, and the length of the minor axis is 6. So here I have a picture of the A and B. At the ellipse that is centered on the origin, we have the center 0 and 0. With major axis has length of 10, we will have A with equal half of the major axis, so 10 over 2 is 5. With minor axis has length of 6, we will have B with equal half of minor axis, 6 over 2 is 3. Now we have X and K, which is the center, and we have point A and B. Next page, we based on the equation of ellipse is x minus h square over a square plus y minus k square over b square equal 1. Place the number of the center and the number of A and B. We have x minus 0 square over 3 square plus y minus 0 square over 5 square equal 1, x square over 9 plus y square over 25 is 1. Finally, we have the equation of the ellipse, which is x square over 9 plus y square over 25 equal 1. Here I have the graph of the ellipse too. We can see that the ellipse is start from 0 point, and they have x-axis which is 5 and b-axis which is 3. Alright, so the final problem, medium hyperbola problem. And we have the topic is the hyperbola has a vertex at 0, 7 and 0, negative 7, and the slopes of the asymptotes are plus negative 7 over 5. So as one can see, the asymptotes are y equal 7 over 5x and y equal negative 7 over 5 times x. The vertex of this hyperbola problem are 0 and 7 and 0 and negative 7. I have the picture here. I have drawn it, and we can see that A is 7 and B is 5, because here is A 7 with y like vertical line. So with negative 7, which is like opposite, so the center is 0.0. And we also have B is 5, same as 7, we have negative 5 in opposite side. So that's it. Because it's a vertical transverse axis, we have equation y minus k square over a square minus x minus h square over b square equal 1. Place the number of the center 0, 0 and numbers of a, b. We will have the equation y minus 0 square over 7 square minus x minus 0 square over 5 square equal 1. So we have x square over, where the final equation is y square over 49 minus x square over 25 equal 1. And I have the graph here based on Desmos graphing calculator. We have a vertical transverse axis, and that is my Connect projects. Thank you for listening.